Everyone, welcome back to another Vapor Home Technologies video. I'm Ryan, I'm here with Maggie today, and we're gonna be cleaning up this Can-Am part here. This is actually an engine case out of one of their V-twin high performance engines. And this was sent in by a customer through our free application testing program. I believe it was Ray Brothers Racing, actually. They do some really cool projects. We were watching some of their stuff. This thing does have some dirt on the exterior that they're wanting to take off again, just to bring it back to that OEM shine. Now, they've specifically asked us not to touch the insides, so we will abide by that. We're just gonna try and blast on the exterior. Of course, we're gonna have a little bit of overspray, but the majority of the work is gonna be cleaning up the outside of these components. There is another set, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. And they've also got, I believe this is the water pump cover right here, that we'll be blasting just to show you how efficiently this thing can clean these parts up. So what are we gonna be using today?
Today we're going to be using the VH1000 HD with a 170/325 mesh glass bead.
So yeah, without further ado, we're gonna get into it.
Here you go. Now you can see it.
Look at you.
I saw Ryan do that the other day. Beautiful. There she is.
So you guys can see how this thing turned out. I mean, this is flawless. This is truly the vapor finish that we talk about. Maggie did an excellent job here. But again, this is something that you guys can do, and it's something that I'm hoping to replicate on this part. So we'll go ahead and throw this in here and show you guys how we can make this turn out. You guys can see literally within 30 seconds, look at how much better that's already starting to look. That surface is smooth, it's been treated, and the more that we actually blast over it and continue to run that slurry over this part, it's just gonna get better. You're gonna refine that finish more.
Thank you again to Ray Brothers Racing for letting us use your parts today.
If you want to send your parts in, we do have free application testing. That's what these were. They sent it into us. We're going to clean it up. We can actually do different abrasives. If you're a company looking to see how coatings are going to be affected by our process, we can do all kinds of different abrasives and test that stuff for you guys. And again, I hope you guys like how this thing turned out. This is the true vapor finish. You really cannot get much better than this. No matter what machine you guys get from us, you're gonna be able to get results just like this in your shop. Because honestly, if you're turning wrenches, you need one of these machines. The quality of your work is gonna go up tenfold because this just looks amazing. And you can't beat the efficiency at which you can do it in a vapor honing machine. But again, thank you Ray Brothers Racing for sending these in. Stay tuned for the rest of the pieces actually from this Can-Am engine. If you guys like this, please give us a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing. And if you have any comments or anything you want to let us know, want to see from us, leave it in the comments below. You can also call us at 828-202-5563 to get a machine just like this in your shop today. Also check out our website, vaporhometechnologies.com. We run flash sales and stuff on there all the time, so that you guys can get a machine to be able to replicate these results right here. Again, thank you all for watching. Hope you have a great day. Peace.